Our topic for today is interview question and answer for plumber. Tell me something about yourself. Are the frequently asked at the beginning of the interview to get the conversation started. These questions are likely to come out every process of the interview. Since it's often the first question to be asked, it's your big chance to make the first impression. Here's my sample answer to the question. I'm Richard, a certified plumber with experience in residential and commercial plumbing. I put first in my job is safety, quality, and customer satisfaction. I have more than 6 years of experience in plumbing, performing various functions to keep piping, water, draining, and sanitary system working effectively. I am reliable, consistent, and focused on doing the job and can work alone as well as with others. Why do we hire you? The interviewer job is to hire the best person for the position. Most of the candidates that make it to the interview stage are qualified for the job, but the winning candidate must be more than qualified, especially in a very competitive job like plumber, electrician, and maintenance. Here's my top answer. Because I am reliable and hardworking person, and I am very good in identifying plumbing problems and providing solution to resolve the issues such as clogged drain, broken and leak pipes, underground sanitary, drainage, and water supply piping system. Describe or explain a time when someone got hurt. What did you do? Sample answer. We were working on a commercial building to repair the overhead water leak pipes in one of our company cleans, and accidentally one of our co-worker outbalanced the ladder and fell down the floor. I quickly got the first aid kit and called 911 and our manager for assistance. Why are you interested in this job? Sample answer. I am interested in this job because I am looking for an opportunity that let me exercise my skills. I feel this position will allow me to succeed because my experience is related to the job. Why are you leaving your current or previous job? Sample answer number 1. My current job has been a great experience, but the growth is limited because the company is a residential plumbing. I need to look somewhere like this commercial plumbing company where there is opportunity to grow my career. Sample answer number 2. I'm ready for the next challenge in my career. I love the people I work with and the projects that I work on, but at some point, I'm looking for the company where opportunity to grow my career. Have you ever had conflict with your superior or colleagues? How do you handle it? Sample answer. I think everyone at some point had a conflict with their superior or colleagues, especially in this kind of job. I'll just try to work with them whenever possible and stay away with conflict as much as I could. What is your strength? Sample answer for what is your strength? Number 1. I am hardworking and responsible person and do my duties on time. Sample answer number 2. I know how to learn from my mistake and good in prioritizing a task. Sample answer number 3. I am determined and disciplined to make the job done in a safe manner. For what is your weakness? Sample answer number 1. I do not stop working until the job is done. I should know my limitation. I have trouble saying no to my coworkers. Sample answer number 3. Sometimes lack of confidence. How important are safety regulation and following safety guidelines to you while on the job? Sample answer. Safety and customer satisfaction is my priority. I try to follow the guidelines of the company policy and review them. Additionally, I always make sure to conduct myself in a safe manner while performing my plumbing job. either in residential, commercial, or industrial. Do you have any question for us? Sample answer. What are the most immediate projects that need to be addressed? Sample answer number 2. What is the next process after the interview? But first, we're going to discuss the interview tips that will help you get hired. Make a job interview feel less much stressful with preparations. The more time you take in advance to get ready, the more comfortable you feel during the actual interview. Interview tips number 1. Practice and repeat. What's my video? Number 2. Get ready ahead of time. Try to be calm and control your emotion and drink water first before you start. You need to research the company and look at their website. Be on time means early, at least 30 minutes before the interview. Keep your answer concise and focused. Do not speak negatively about your previous employers. Bring a copies of your resume, a notebook, and pen. Be prepared with a list of examples of your previous job. Follow up after the interview. Technical questions. This job requires you to bend, crawl, lift heavy loads, entering confined space, noisy environment. Do you have problem with that? Usually the answer is no. If yes, you need to explain based on your medical or personal condition. Will you be available to work overtime, shift change, swing shift, or grave shift? Why are you interested in this job? Sample answer. I am interested in this job because I am looking for an opportunity that let me exercise my skill. I feel this position will allow me to succeed because my experience is related to the job. Do you familiar with any plumbing tools? Name a few plumbing tools and how to use it. Here's are the sample of plumbing tools: adjustable pipe wrench, faucet valve set wrench, faucet valve resetting tool, faucet packing and washer, tubing cutter, Teflon tape, cup plunger, flange plunger, closet auger, sink auger. Additional questions. How many water heaters have you installed?